This is how you use the highlighter tool in Noteful and how you can use it to highlight your notes. Next up is the highlighter tool. So if you click right here, this is going to be your highlighter. And if you double tap on it, you can change between all these different preset options here, or you can make your own, so you can make it as small and big as you want. And then if you want it to draw straight lines, you're going to tap this on. So what that means is that if I don't have it turned on, it's going to let me draw any way that I want to. But if I have this option turned on, whenever you draw a highlighter line, once you release, even if it's squiggly, it's going to turn into a straight line. So that's how you use that. Now same with your colors over here. This is where you choose the different highlighter colors that you want. It's preset to 3 different colors here, but you can change it to different here with your grid, with your color wheel. You can use your color dropper right here to find specific colors. So say I wanted like a gold highlighter. It's going to change it to gold, and it's going to automatically change your color there. And then you can add more in if you want. So if you want more colors here preset than what these 3 are, you just click this plus button right here, and it's going to add in different colors. And then you can either put your hex code in here if you know your specific hex code, or you can use the color dropper right here to find a color, as let's say as like your stickers, and then have your highlighter be that color. So that is how you use the highlighter tool in Noteful.